In the previous video, you learned how to order your espresso al banco, or per portare via. You say hi, you say thank you, you say grazie, ciao. And it all works just fine. Let's step it up one notch. How hard can it be ordering a perfectly made Caffe Latte in the motherland of European coffee culture? For several years, honestly, I never got my orders right. Caffe Latte, macchiato, cappuccino, it sounds like a gold standard, but it might as well become a disappointment. My idea of the perfect double shot Caffe Latte seemed to be almost impossible to obtain, until I came up with this weird bulletproof way of ordering, which you're about to learn right now. First of all, I need a double shot. Italians make a hell of a lot more generous double shot than the weak Starbucks version, so no worries, a double shot will do. Then I want hot milk. But I really don't want the espresso dissolved into a bathtub full of lukewarm milk. Therefore, I always order my milk on the side. And when we put this information together, it becomes a very accurate order, which even the experienced barista never has heard before. And after his first jaw drop, he will nod and he will make just what you asked for. One double coffee with a little warm milk on the side. And here it comes. Un caffè doppio con un poco di latte caldo a parte. Per favore. So we go slowly. Un caffè doppio con un poco di latte caldo a parte. Un caffè doppio con un poco di latte caldo a parte. Repeat it over and over and over again until it comes naturally. And you can add some personality into the phrase. You can tell your waiter at the hotel breakfast. You can even order it when you've just realized you had too many drinks. You can deliver the line anytime, anywhere. So there you are, pouring the right amount of milk into a dead strong Italian double shot, making your perfect coffee to enjoy. Sweet. And how am I supposed to end this video? What's there to add? Greet the people. Say one or two ciaos. You can say ciao when you come. You can even say more ciaos as you leave. For some reason, there just can't be enough ciaos. And you may combine the grazie, the thank you, with the ciao. Ciao, ciao, grazie. Grazie, ciao. Ciao, ciao, grazie, ciao. Okay, you got it? That's it. Ciao.